Well, good morning. We're on the road again today. It's a Friday, September 1st. We're having a pretty good old time. We just got back from the Western Legends event out to Kanab. We spent 4 or 5 days out there. What a wonderful little town that is. We go out to that event every year, and that was our last video. So this morning we are out and about in the Black Pearl on the road again. We're headed up to Toquerville Falls. We've got a sheriff's dispatch for a Toyota Tacoma, I believe, and I wanted to say they told me it was orange, but we are working our way up in here, Springs Drive in Toquerville. For you guys that haven't been here, it's a pretty neat little area. The road's rougher than heck, but we're working our way up in here, having a dang good time. We sure stay busy this time of year, and we've been jumping from call to call today. Started out first thing this morning out to the staging area at Hurricane Sand Dunes. We put a pit toilet in there with the Desert Roads and Trails, and we had to put about 80 gallons of water in each side vault to get that thing open and operational for the big Labor Day weekend. So we are definitely still just chasing, I say, 1,000 different directions, because this week is Peach Days also. It's the Hurricane City, Utah celebration of our heritage, and so we always end up involved in organization aspects and singing and dancing and all the good stuff, entertainment, and rodeos and parades and whatever else we got going on. So in amongst all the work, we get to go do a little play, which we always make a priority. But we're up the road. We will get in here and we'll take you along for the ride, and we'll see where we end up. Oh man, this road's rough, but we got some good news coming up for a bunch of folks. We actually sat in on some meetings, some committee meetings with all the municipalities locally here to the Toquerville Falls area, and we actually secured some money through the State Recreation Fund. We got almost $1 million gathered up to make improvements to the Toquerville Falls and the Navajo Road on the other side of the county. So that was an exciting bit of things. So we're going to work through the process of getting that work done with the Desert Roads and Trails Society. So pretty amazing what you're able to do as a group, and we're making a lot of progress on our improvement opportunities, and so never a complaint when you're able to help out and give people's recreational opportunities a better quality. So hopefully in the future this road will be a lot smoother for everyone, including me. Man, it's so green, it's starting to look like spring again. All this rain we've been having. It's been a really nice summer. Yeehaw! It rained last night. Boy, did it ever. That water was clear out here. This stuff just brings in this silty clay and sand. You can see the creek was clear out here last night. So serious rainstorms, and I got my favorite white boots on. Okay, well, I wasn't too enthused about making that river crossing, but what the heck ever else. We're just gonna go back across here and See if we can stay out of trouble. Kind of a dumb move. Intense. I don't really like crossing those creeks when they're like that, but it's either wait for more rain, which we're going to have tomorrow and Sunday to go get him, run a winch line. But we took a little bit of a risk driving across there, but no big deal. Got him out no problem, drove across there. It felt pretty good. So here we're out of here. We're headed back to town, go get ready for big Peach Day celebration. I'm singing today at 4 o'clock with the crew, and got to do MC the stage in a little bit, and then I think we'll probably do the parade in the morning, and then we'll head out of town, get up to the cabin, have a good old time up there, a little bit of R&R. Never a complaint when you can get out of the old rat race and go enjoy some time on the mountains. Man, I just got done singing down to Peach Days, and we got a call for a Jeep in a hole over in Mojave County, so we're headed that way. Got to get rid of the old alligator boots. Sorry I don't have my white ones, but these will have to work for right now. I got to go find me some earplugs, and we are going to hit the road. I'm in my nice pants, but duty calls. Driving Miss Daisy, going out
like
through the desert.
An hour and a half ago.
But they didn't come out like days ago?
No, just today. But they came out before the rains, it sounds like, and then they crossed the wash before it got very bad.
It is slick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, your steering's gonna suck, sorry. What happened there, Beck?
Does this look like it's still solid? Maybe?
No.
Okay, look at it
No.
up here. It looks more solid than where we're parking. Right here
Oh,
looks
right
good.
here.
Right here looks, this looks fine.
Way to go! How'd that feel?
How'd that feel, yeah?
Not so good. Not so good.
Here, babe.
This is...
Oh, yeah.
How was the party right before that ended?
Oh, I don't know, I wasn't even there. Wowzers.
Holy cow.
Yeah, post his face. Right on.
No, I don't need to do that.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I can get through that. Yeah, I'll bring it right through right over here. Good. That's impressive.
Alright. Yeah, a little bit.
As long as you got the okie dokie.
It's all about who you know and talking to him first.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right, I'll
Yeah. Tell my dad. He knows.
see, I think we could turn that wheel a little bit.
I bet it'll come right out.
Pull on that bank right there a little bit.
You'll have to come on this side back here and pull it back this way, because if you pull it straight back.
This is a better spot, but it gets like, this is softer right here than it was over there.
I should have known better to go through there.
This is Houston, we have a problem.